Good morning, students. I am going to explain heat of combustion or enthalpy of combustion. This is also called as enthalpy of combustion. Now, what is mean by heat of combustion? What does it mean by heat of combustion? Now, the enthalpy decreases. The enthalpy decreases that that takes place when one mole of the substance is completely burned in oxygen is called as standard heat of combustion. Heat of combustion means enthalpy decrease that will be takes place when one mole of the substance is completely burned in the oxygen. In oxygen is called as standard heat of combustion. Now, see the one example. Combustion reaction. One combustion reaction, that is CH4 is a gas in presence of O2 is burning. After burning they form CO2 plus 2H2O. This gas in the form of liquid. Here enthalpy of combustion, that is combustion, it is minus 890 kilojoule per mole. Now, similarly, if we see one more example, that is graphite. It is also in presence of oxygen. After burning, they form CO. Here also heat of combustion, that is delta H naught is equal to minus 108.7 kilojoule per mole. But in this reaction does not represent heat of combustion of carbon, since CO is changed into CO2. Because of here it is a CO, but complete combustion means they form CO2. It is the only CO. Now once again, the CO is a gas burned with the oxygen to form now CO2. It is a heat of combustion of the first reaction. The second combustion now will form, this is a minus 284.4 kilojoule per mole. Now similarly, in this case we can heat of combustion delta H is equal delta H1 plus delta H2. In this case, because of it is a 1, two reactions are forming, not direct. That is the value of delta H. Now the heat of combustion. Next, heat of combustion of hydrocarbons comma food materials, fuels, etc. can be converted into calorific values, which measured the per gram of substance, per gram of substance. Now if rate of combustion of graphite is 393 kilojoule per mole, but its calorific value is taken as 32.75 kilojoule gram inverse. The calorific value of LPG determined by using this method, calorific value of combustion of the substance also we can determine, like carbon, H2, benzene. For this substance also we can determine. It's a very important concept. Now in this case